Hey guys, welcome to PB Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to get the correct length wiper blades for your Smart for 2 451, and I'll show you how to install them as well. So the reason I mentioned getting the right size of wiper for your smart car is because I recently went online to try and order some wipers to replace on this car that I'm working on, and I found a lot of incorrect information about what size wipers should be on the car. So if you look at my Smart here, you'll notice I've got the original wipers still on it, and if you pay close attention, you'll notice that the driver's side or left-hand side wipers are actually just a little bit longer than the passenger side ones. You can see there's a little bit longer here, and if we go to the other end, you can see still longer. And what I saw online was a lot of misinformation about both of them being 22 inches or both of them being 21 inches, or even some people were listing 20 inch and 19 inch. And I just wanted to clear that up. So, you know, obviously we've got the longer one here. That one's 22 inches long, and this guy here is 21 inches long. So 22 inch driver's side, 21 inch passenger side. Now, when it comes to wipers, I would recommend actually ordering these online from a place like Rock Auto, only because when you go into your local parts store, the markups on these are crazy. Cheap wipers really don't last very long, and they're still $25, $30 a wiper. And then if you go to a better brand wiper, you're looking at 45, 50 bucks a wiper, and you can get good brands on a place like Rock Auto for way less. I got these Hella, which is a good brand. I also like Bosch. In fact, I kind of prefer the Bosch or Vallejo. Hella also a good brand though, and these were $7 a piece. So try and avoid that markup in your local store by buying these online. I know there's some knockoff and some cheap ones out there too, but if you stick with a good brand from a good supplier like Rock Auto, you'll be way ahead of the game. Now here at the back of the car, we have a single 10-inch wiper. It's just a little guy, and you can see it looks kind of funny. Now I've seen them for sale with the whole arm or with just the wiper. I would say if you're going to do the whole arm, get ahead of the game and start to lubricate your nut here, because this is going to be a pain in the butt to get off. So start hitting that with some WD-40 well ahead of whenever you're going to have to come back here and change this whole wiper arm, or like just replace the wiper itself. It just pops out, but we'll have a look at that guy in a minute. Now these are a little bit harder to find because the 10 inch is kind of an awkward size. I did manage to find these Trico exact fit blades for the smart car, so I ordered these up. Again, not very expensive, just a little bit tougher to find. Now to swap these front wipers out, super easy to do. If you just come up here, you've got a couple of push tabs in here, and you should be able to just wiggle that wiper off. Just like that. Make sure this doesn't fly down and hit your windshield. Now, depending on the brand of wiper you've got, there's different types of ways to hook them on. You just have to look through the list here, make sure you got the type that you're looking for, in this case type A, and then it's just a matter of getting them installed, clipped in, and she's good to go. Take off my protective plastic here, and we're all set. Now just one last time. That's the 22 inch wiper on the top, 21 inch on the bottom. This is the driver's side in North America, passenger side North America. Now right-hand drive cars, I'm not sure, but I'm assuming are probably flipped from that. And that's it, let's have a look at the back. Now here at the back, pretty straightforward as well. I'm just replacing the wiper, not the whole arm. So I'm just going to come in and pop that guy off. It's got like a little, so this guy's got like a little axle right in there, and there's a slot in the wiper arm here. So you just pop that guy out. And then we just grab our new 10-inch wiper blade and pop that guy on, make sure it clicks into place and it's sturdy. And there we go, good as new. So there you have it. I know this seems like pretty basic stuff, but like I say, when I got online to try and order wipers, I was seeing all kinds of different information. And I just wanted to make sure that you guys had the right information so you can get the right parts for your car and not have to be dealing with returning stuff or have stuff not fit right. The wipers, if they're not the right length, you can run into issues where they're gonna make contact with the edge of the windshield, not work properly. And more often, if you don't have the right sizes, they'll like chatter when you're at speed on the highway or something like that, and you won't get very good visibility. So once again, just make sure you get the right parts, keep keep your car on the road, keep your driving safe. Have a good one, guys. See you later.